Good morning and welcome. It's Jilly Cube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. Getting away with myself there. I am going to paint on that nice little brick canvas, like a gallery wrapped canvas. What I was showing you was masking tape the back of the canvas to keep it nice and clean. So when you come to finish off your dried painting, you just pull the masking tape off and you've got a nice clean bottom. Rightio, I am going to just put a little bit of this white base coat on to start off with and spread it. I won't do the edges of my canvas at this time because I'm hoping my design will go over the edges. So I'll just spread it nicely. Rightio, all spread nicely. I am using the Global Impasto colours and this one is burnt umber and it has a good daub of black in it. I don't measure anything, so I get lots of people ask me for exact measurements. I just don't do that. That's not what I want to do. It's not how I work. And it works better for me. Sometimes it doesn't, but that's what I like to do. So that's a really nice dark lush chocolate brown, which is, like I said, burnt umber with black added. Now this is the Global Metallic Gold, which is absolutely gorgeous. It always puts a nice glistening effect in your finished piece because the metallic always comes through. So I'm just going to wiggle these colours through around the very, like framing this particular canvas. Now this is the lush metallic copper, and I'll do the same with that. And now the silvery, shiny silver metallic. Oh, this is going to be so nice with really all the nice autumny, sheeny, shiny colours in. But I definitely want to do this particular technique on a large canvas because it is just beautiful. And now to really give it a pop in there is that lovely phthalo blue, which always with those lovely earthy colours, it really does give it a nice pop of colour. And just finishing off with a little drizzle. A drizzle of white, just like the weather is here today, a drizzling. But yeah, we're having weird weather at the moment. I guess it's worldwide, but we are not having floods, so not here, so I feel sorry for people that are. Just giving it a whiz over with my little heat wand. It just bursts any air bubbles in there, and I find just helps the paint. And now for my Super Pink Beauty blower tool. It's just a little mini hairdryer. I got that one from a charity shop and I cannot find it, but lots of people have found the same brand, which it's a Baby Baileys. It just now comes in different colour. So it is out there. I just find this a really best little blowing tool I've used. So I've got that on just low at the moment because I don't want to put it on high and blow all of my paint off. But as you see, look at those effects that's coming up from those colours. Absolutely stunning. Love it, love it, love it. Now, just for that, that's just a straw with the silicone end. So I'm using it the opposite way to what you would if you were actually using it as a straw in the cup. I like having that bendy end. It gives you, you can direct it better. So it's sort of looking at this point that I'm losing the, I don't know, how nice it was looking, but bear with me because I do bring it back to life again, I believe, and really, really gorgeous little brick of a piece, and definitely can be, as I mentioned in previous videos, these small canvases can be given as gifts to your friends other than giving them a Christmas card or a birthday card. They've got a really lovely little keepsake of you, and yeah, I believe that there's so many people that love having a handmade gift because it's so much more personal than just grabbing something off a shelf. Quick whiz with my heat wand again. It helps the paint absorb into the canvas, and it helps me with my next little thing that I love to do, which is I'm going to get my mini balloon, which is not a normal size balloon, that I put over the tap and add some water to it for weight. It just gives it it's just a perfect tool. It is really a perfect tool to go with your acrylic pouring. Any technique that you do, dirty cup pours, blooms, Dutch pours, chaos blows, swipes, they all look absolutely fantastic with a few balloon kisses. They really do. It brings them to life if you're happy to do it. And I love it. Love it, love it. Look at how this is coming to life now. It really is a stunning piece. And I'll bring you down. I'll come on down. I'll bring you down closer and you can have a look how just gorgeous it turned out. I was so, so happy with this one. Oh my goodness, look at that. Gorgeous effects, beautiful cells, and that has no floetrol, only my pouring medium and the global colours. Beautiful. I'm absolutely loving those colours now. I've got to get a big canvas and do those colours. That is gorgeous having that pop of the phthalo blue in there. Really does set that off. Oh, I'm getting a bit of reflection. That is super duper cool. Hope you loved it. Hope you give that a go. Try that pouring medium. It is super duper. Okie doke. Until tomorrow, my lovelies, take care. Bye for now.